Hello there. We asked Dr. Ahmed Shafeer about his Plab 1 experience. Stay with me to see what he had to say. His exam was on October 2020, and he subscribed to our one-year plan. We asked him how helpful was MedRevisions for his Plab 1 exam. He said, "It was the sole material I used. I found many similar questions in the exam. The explanations are excellent, but I found some spelling mistakes which can be improved. The notes are excellent and detailed and cover everything perfectly, but more illustrations can be added to make it visually pleasing overall. It's a very detailed question bank and more than enough to pass the exam. It was extremely helpful." We also asked him how did he use MedRevisions to prepare for the Plab 1 exam. He said, "I completed all the questions by subject, cardio, gastro, etc. Read the explanations well and notes. Used the Smart Revisions tool to revise. I did all the mocks and reset it and did it again until I consistently scored more than 80%. Also, I did the questions I bookmarked." He was also kind enough to share his results with us. This is his results. You can check out more verified reviews from the link in the description. MedRevisions has helped thousands of doctors pass their Plab 1 exams on their first attempt. Subscribe now to the largest question bank for Plab 1 exam and pass your Plab exam with ease. We have several plans suited for you. All our plans include more than 4,400 exam-style questions with updated explanations and notes that align with the relevant guidelines. Moreover, you will also get access to our revision notes for free. We have highlighted the high-yield points and added several medical clinchers to help you with your preparation. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or concerns. We are here to help you throughout your Plab 1 journey.